Yeah, yeah, too much. Yeah, you just said something that is powerful. I'm just with Ulunga here. Yeah, the guy dala funa ukufika la but hey yeah umtshela amabhomu
La.
akusiyo into yokuthi mhlawumbe ukhuluma into eside eli-1 no eside eli-2 but this guy my nigga, wake up. Okay, how many girlfriends do you have?
What? You!
Yeah, I just caught him off guard. No, come back. Come back. People are listening. People are listening. How many girlfriends?
Because I don't want to lie to your listeners,
Yeah.
I would like to avoid such questions.
All right.
I didn't hear that.
Oh.
These things are closing my ears.
Oh, you didn't hear?
No, and over. It's valid this week.
Okay. Okay. Asimhlonipheke because like la ekhaya siyathanda ukuthi umuntu akhululeke ahloniphe yena, you understand? But like it looked like you are a ladies man. And there's something that you said, I wish we'll do something in saving your voice when you're greeting ladies. What did you say?
Hello, ladies. I'm not a ladies man, nigga. Hello, ladies. How you good? Awekho amajita mliweni.
Akhona baba. What do you mean?
Bafethu, ngicela niphume eceleni. Hello, ladies.
Yeah.
How you doing? My name is Lunga. You can call me Jay if
Yo.
you want some.
I am out, guys.
Bro, I'm not even talking like a father.
Yeah, that's what's so shocking, man. But like, thank you so much. Waiting you now. I mean, like, it was such a lovely day, lovely moment.
I can drop my numbers in the comments.
No. guys, anizwanga. But anyway, thank you for entertaining my people, for entertaining my listeners. Guys, if you really want Ulunga back on the show, just let us know. DM us or like put us on, you know, a comment section. Leave us a comment. Nisitshele futhi nokuthi inspiration ngani Ulunga kanjani, you understand.
I have a lot to inspire you with. If you want to boy, then
lo muntu I don't know. Okay, can I ask you this question before you leave? What is it that you love about your job? First of all, tell them where do you work, not the name of the production, but what kind of a work are you doing?
I'm in films. What I love about my
He's in
job,
films.
what I love about my job is knowing what's going to happen before anybody, which is before even the actors themselves, before the viewers, which is you. I know what's going to happen before anyone. So, which means as much as we create what you're going to see, we also bring life to what you're going to see. Everything that you see on the screens, there are a lot of people that are behind that. There are a lot of fights that are behind that. But then when you see it, you see something that is unique. You see something that is done. But you don't know the sweat and tears that was behind that. That's what's beautiful about it. When I look at it, when I watch it, you see the story. Me, I see the story behind that day. When we were creating the story for you.
Shit.
That's what I love about my job.
Wow.
Yeah.
Wow.
And also, I would also like to tell some of the ladies out there more.
Kind of like, why are you talking about it? This guy.
I'm kidding, yo. Machita nani ngizongixelela ke hayi bafethu.
Uzokuthiwa hayi, yini kuthiwa hayi. Anyway, okay.
We're talking about that in this podcast, if you've missed it, about how men don't cry. Relate. Indoda ayikhali. Xa senivalela ngapha senivalela ngaphandle.
Sure. Injalo, man, injalo. And once again, man, if I think I'm still gonna host you, you know, like at another side of, you know, the topic, not the one that we're doing today, because today we're doing one for like what is it called? What is this called? The holiday, Father's Day. Yes. So I'm still gonna host you like. As
And actually, sorry, my nigga.
Yes,
and actually, I just wanna send a shout out to my baby mama. You know, throughout everything, I'm I'm just gonna say that shit, that I'm grateful to everything that she's done for our kid. And I'm also grateful to the fact that she sent that picture today. I sent her a message that I'm grateful for her doing that shit.
Damn.
And I'm gonna say it in front of all of you that I'm grateful for having a baby mama like her. I'm not happy with whatever decisions it takes, but I'm grateful to have a baby mama like her. I've had stories about baby mamas, but she could have done worse. So I'm actually grateful for her. Just want to say that before I say,
Damn, man.
can I come to your inbox now?
I thought I know this guy, yeah, but like I don't know. But it all makes sense why ladies love or like you. It makes sense. Like it just makes sense. I didn't say do you like ladies. I don't know if you like them, but like it makes more sense why are you know unogazi my ladies and understand. So anyway, guys, that was it. Asibonge sizonibona next time.
Please, yo, just tell Rose to host me. Host a nigga. Host a young nigga. Look at how cute this motherfucker is.
Yeah.
Look at how cute this motherfucker is. Can I stand up, nigga? Can I stand up, nigga? What's the face? Because I'm also pretty, like my shoes, nigga.
Yeah.